And today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our new beer bottle coolers. Okay, now brand on this item is going to be our own company brand Cooler Depot. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the exterior measurements for this cooler, starting with the length. We are looking at a total of 26 inches, 26 from front to back. We will be looking at a total of 28 inches, 28, and the overall height will be 38 and a half inches, 38 and a half. Okay, so those are your measurements for this beer bottle cooler. Now, if you follow me over to the front, there is a bottle opener that's on the front for this unit. Also on the front, bottom over here, we have our temperature controller. So this is where your temperature will show once the unit is on and running. You can also set your temperature on that same controller for this unit. Also, you will be provided with casters. The unit does have casters, so it makes it easier for use. Okay, guys, now we're going to go ahead and show you the inside for this beer bottle cooler. Okay, starting with the measurements, I want to go ahead and give you the inside measurements. So we'll give you length will be 21 inches front to back. You're looking at 20 inches top to the bottom, 17 inches. Okay, so those are your inside measurements. You also will be able to locate your fan on the inside for the cooling. You have keys that will be provided. Okay, so you are able to lock this door as well. And on the very corner, we have a sticker with all the specs, circuit diagram, and certifications for this beer bottle cooler. Lastly, we do have a manual. So if you don't know how to use this unit or having issues using it, there is a manual provided for this item. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration for the inside on this unit. Now, I want to go ahead and turn the unit around, show you the back. On the back, you will be able to locate your plug on the very bottom. You also have a sticker that will show you the model. Okay, so for this unit model is JBC28-HC. Okay, so this is a little demonstration for this beer bottle cooler. Now, if you're interested in one of these items, you can go on our website, coolerdepotusa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact model. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.